Happy New Year, State College. It is 2025 now. Let's ring it in together. 11 hours later.
Saturday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 20s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 20s. Sunday, mostly sunny. High.
There we go. Heck yeah! Happy New Year!
This is the National Weather Service office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems.
Wow, this is
Here
dirty.
is the latest National Weather Service forecast.
Alright. Oh, NEHH went off too.
Counties, including the city of Harrisburg.
There we go. Happy New Year!
Mostly cloudy with a slight chance of rain.